Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. Okay, I'm here with Kendall. This is Kendall.
You know me.
Yep, then you guys know her. What is this? Is this chocolate?
Oh, I forgot you don't like chocolate.
Bleh. But I'm gonna be opening my God's Provision box, which already kind of busted open. You guys know what. You guys know what's gonna happen. Okay. So, just watch me.
Big old wasp outside.
Yeah, there was a wasp in here and I killed it.
In here?
I guess because I was moving my stuff in here. It got inside. But yeah, just watch me. Okay, ooh. Ooh, we got the yellow themed. I love these little things. They're so cute. Ooh, we got a candle. Oh, all of their, I already told you, all their stuff is organic. And stuff. And their candles are so nice that they be sending me. This one's blood orange and patchouli.
What's patchouli?
You don't know what patchouli is?
I like that.
You don't know what patchouli is? It's a soy candle, I'm pretty sure.
Patchouli is so... Why did it say blood orange and patchouli?
Because that's the ingredients, yeah. But it's a soy candle. It smells good. This is the candle. This is what it looks like. And it says natural soy candle handcrafted in old Seminole Heights. I don't know if I said that right.
Seminole Heights?
Seminole?
What did you say? Yeah, Seminole.
Yeah, it's blood orange and patchouli. And it smells really good and it's really pretty and I'm going to burn it. I love the candles that Phoebe sent to me. Alright, so I'm doing this. And we got... I hate it when they put your cards at the top. Because I already saw everything. Alright. This one is I feel, I am. And this box is root down to rise up. So, this candle, it says light this beautiful soy candle dressed with flowers and cider or cedar, however you want to pronounce it. Let the essential oil blend bring you into your body. It's a $12 value. It smells really good.
I like that. Where can I find a candle like that?
I don't know. I guess you could go on their website. It's
Willow.com.
okay, next we got some we got some essential oil blends, of course. This is another one. I have another one up there. Let me get it. Hold on.
Essential oil blends?
Yeah, they have chakras.
Oh, are those all your essential oils?
Oh yeah, I have a lot. I have a lot. I love
can't
them.
afford all those.
I love them. So this is the first one that they sent me in a previous box. Like this. This is the crown chakra. And this one is the solar plexus. It's really pretty. And I'm about to smell. See if I like it. Oh, wow. It smells great. That made me happy. Wow.
I have a Joy essential oil blend at my place.
Really? I have a lot. And I got my diffuser right here. Yeah, it be kicking in my room. Alright, but this, it says, apply this essential oil blend infused with citrine, the color yellow, sounds, and affirmations to clear blockages and energize your solar plexus. Okay, the next thing is this. What is this? Soapy Lane Root Chakra Massage Balm.
Ooh.
Yeah, they sent me nice stuff.
With that.
Let's see.
That's good. You smell?
It doesn't. I'm not too fond of the smell. It's
very
different.
subtle.
Yeah, it's different. Oh.
It's a massage balm.
Ooh, feel.
I'm gonna get a massage with this. Ooh.
Okay, so this is what it looks like, and we have some kind of stones in here. I don't know what kind of stones they are. But it says, ground yourself with a foot rub using this massage balm made with earthy essential oils, including ginger, Cyrus, I can never say that fucking word. Vetiver, vetiver, something, and patchouli. Right there. Vetiver.
No, I don't know what
yeah.
that is.
But it's really pretty. And this is a $26 value.
$26? For that?
Yep, but I pay for all of this. I don't pay for them individually.
Yeah.
And then my next one.
There's something else?
Oh, yes! More crystals! If you didn't know, I have a couple crystals in here. There's some up there. They're all over there. And things. But we got some clear quartz. It's really pretty. And let's see. Oh, no, it's not clear quartz. It says it's citrine, but that looks like clear quartz. Maybe they had a... Maybe they had a mix-up. This looks like clear quartz to me. If you think it's citrine, then that's cool. Like, I see a little bit of pieces of gold in here. But, yeah, it says it's citrine. So it says this stone energizes the solar plexus and the sacral chakras. Carry it to connect with your personal power and creativity. $4 value. Now we got this, aromatherapeutic fresh peppermint cooling foot bath.
That's good.
And this says, soak your tired feet in a refreshing salt blend, including castor oil, beet powder, and peppermint essential oil to feel cool and calm. And I'm gonna smell because I like smelling these. Oh yeah, that's really minty.
I can smell it from here. Ooh.
Yeah, ooh, that is strong. So it's like the Altoids you put in your mouth. Alright, and the last thing is, what is this? Velvet Gray? Look at this cute packaging. That's so cute. Okay. Velvet Gray Solar Plexus Charm. It's a charm.
It's a necklace?
I don't know. We're unwinding. Oh.
What do you do with it?
I don't know. It's a charm. I think you pin it on yourself. But this is what it looks like. And let's see what it is, because I don't know. It says, wear this sterling silver solar plexus charm on your favorite bracelet or necklace when you want to connect with your inner power and self-confidence. $39 value. This is expensive, this little thing. It's color yellow. Its physical location is the stomach, and the affirmation is I can, whatever. Like I can ... so I can, putting good words into the universe. Feel me? And it says a charm to evoke self-esteem, self-worth, positivity, confidence, and empowered energy.
I like that.
That's nice. This was a nice box. It was cute. So that was it for this Goddess Provisions box. I like this box. It's really nice, and they send you nice things, and the packaging is always cute.
And it's paper.
Yeah. Paper, organic, nice,
Environmentally friendly.
So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.